Are you tired of sending out newsletters that nobody reads? Do you feel like you're just shouting into the void? Well, fear not, because today I'm going to teach you how to master the art of newsletter marketing and make your subscribers actually look forward to hearing from you. First things first, why should you even bother with newsletter marketing? Isn't it just a waste of time? Not at all. In fact, studies have shown that email marketing can have an ROI of up to 4,300%. That's right. For every dollar you spend on email marketing, you could potentially earn $43 in return. And newsletters are a great way to build relationships with your audience, promote your products or services, and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. But let's face it, most people's inboxes are flooded with spam and promotional emails. So how do you make your newsletter stand out? That's what we'll be discussing today. Before you dive headfirst into newsletter marketing, you need to define your goal. What do you want to achieve with your newsletter? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, promote your latest product, build your brand awareness? Whatever your goal may be, make sure it's clear and specific so you can tailor your newsletter content and strategy accordingly. For example, if your goal is to drive traffic to your website, you'll want to include links to your latest blog posts or products. Or if you want to promote your latest product, you'll want to highlight its unique features and benefits. Next up, you need to know your audience. Who are they? What do they like? What are their pain points? The better you understand your audience, the easier it will be for you to create content that resonates with them. You can use surveys, polls, or analytic tools to gather data on your subscribers and tailor your newsletter content accordingly. For instance, if you're targeting an audience interested in fitness, you may want to include articles about healthy eating or workout routines. Or if you're targeting small business owners, you may want to provide tips on marketing and finance. Now that you've defined your goal and know your audience, it's time to choose the right email marketing service. There are plenty of options out there, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, Substack. So make sure you do your research and choose one that is user-friendly and fits your budget. You'll also want to consider the features each platform offers, such as automations, segmentations, and analytics. These features can help you streamline your newsletter marketing strategy and improve your results. When it comes to designing your newsletter, simplicity is key. You don't want to overload your subscribers with too much information or cluttered design. Stick to a clean and simple layout with a clear call to action and eye-catching visuals. And don't forget to optimize your newsletter for mobile devices, since more than half of all emails are open on a mobile device. You can also experiment with different design elements such as color schemes, fonts, images, to see what resonates with your audience. And don't be afraid to ask for feedback from your subscribers on what they like and what they don't like. The most important part of your newsletter is, of course, the content. You want to provide subscribers with valuable content that they can't get anywhere else. This could be anything from exclusive promotions, industry insights, or how-to guides. Just make sure that the content is relevant to your audience and aligns with your overall goal. You should also aim to provide a mix of content types such as articles, videos, and images to keep things interesting and engaging. And don't forget to include a clear call to action in each newsletter, whether it's to visit your website, sign up for a free trial, or make a purchase. Once you've sent out your newsletter, it's important to test and measure your results. This will help you identify what's working and what's not working and make adjustments accordingly. You can use analytic tools to track your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data can help you determine which subject lines, content types, and call to actions are resonating with your audience. You can also use A/B testing to experiment with different elements of your newsletter and see which version performs better. So there you have it, folks. Newsletter marketing doesn't have to be a headache. By defining your goal, knowing your audience, choosing the right email marketing service, Designing your newsletter with simplicity in mind, creating valuable content, and testing and measuring your results, you can launch a successful newsletter for your small business. Remember, building a relationship with your audience takes time and effort, but with a little bit of patience and persistence, you can create a loyal following of subscribers who actually look forward to hearing from you. I help businesses and entrepreneurs launch and grow successful newsletters that engage and build an audience interested in your business. I offer newsletter design and setup, customized growth strategies, high quality content creation, targeted subscriber lead generation, and regular analytics for your newsletter. A newsletter will help you build stronger relationships with your current clients and grow your business by promoting your products and signing new clients from the newsletter. Additionally, you can also earn advertising revenue from the newsletter. If launching or growing your newsletter is something you may be interested in, book a call with me on socialytics.com, which is linked in the description. Happy newsletter marketing.